Tigre, na maunig yapon ang mating. Ang problema niya karon Mayor, nahurot naman yung panding sa pagpakaon sa Tigre. O sinisig balik-balik sa opisina. Mao ka na, kung hinay yun ang abilidad sa ato mga pinangga na Mayor, makita po nato ang implementasyon sa project. Bigaw yapon, luya yapon ang project. Pero dinhi sa ubay, makita yun nato, world class ang proyekto ni Mayor Fernandez o sa iyang konseho. Eksakto itong gisulti o kagina ni Governor Chato na mauning makita nato sa telebisyon, sa Australian Open, sa mga British Open na mga tennis court. So, pasalamat ta sa atong pinangga na mayor na dinhi sa ubay Bohol na makakita tag isa ka world class na tennis court. Pagpakan nato liwat usab ang atong mga igsoon. So, mapalangga ko din sa ubay. Ako, nalipay ko dako sa akong pag-ani karong buntaga. Nanuman, mag-igsunan. Kaya mao pa ni ang ako pinakauna na gi-turn over na project din sa Bohol. Kaya sa 47 kalungsod, mao pa ni ang pinakauna, Mayor. So, dili na ako ni malimtan. Mayor, ang imong lungsod. Mao ka na, Mayor, kay buhay naman o yun ang imong lungsod. Dugangan pa na ang akong funding para kanimo, para sa atong bleachers, para mahuman yun ang atong bleachers sa imong Morag International Tennis Court Stadium. So, sa mga kaigsunan, di na nakunitason, kay kabalo naman po na gutom na po tanan, maipitar ko karon at po tatanan sa balay ni Mayor Fernandez, dito naman ni Ugdo. Ako? So, sa iyo na tanan, daghang salamat. Mabuhay ang lungsod sa Ubay! Mabuhay ang probinsya sa Bohol! Big Senyor! Viva! Viva Senyor Santo Niño!
Daghang salamat sa Senador Migz Zubiri. Daghang salamat sa maabot mga dugang itong mga pundo.
Ayaw lang ipanugi, ayaw lang isubong upan mga mayor.
Ato isunod karon ang words of thanks na iyapag karon.
Isu pa ba ang narana?
First, 1, 2, 3. Ano raw? 1, 2, 3.
Kapilat to din.
Mana? Cellphone gano'n mo doy. Doy ka. Mamilisin ka. Mamilisin. Slow.
Alam mo. Wait.
Can you see? Mga ka-friendship, the two birds on the grill. The shade on that grill because there is a roof that can shade them from rain. So they are there. They are partially wet already. I hope you can see. Okay, it's raining because as per information there is another storm that is passing summer or will hit summer, so you know already when the wind, the storm will pass summer, and we slightly can be affected. One bird flew away. I do not know where it is. Oh, I am just sitting here. So only one left now. I hope it will not fly away. I don't know if the bird has about to fly. Oh my goodness. Oh, they are no longer to be found. Hello mga ka-friendship. Yes, there it is again, the moon. The moon in the midnight of August 23. And this is the formation of the moon this morning, because it is already dawn. And this is the formation. There is a cloud behind, or is that behind? And the color which surround the moon is like yellow orange, and the clouds beside, there are lots of colors. It's like a rainbow. And I don't know what is that blue, around blue near the moon. But it is, or it keeps moving, that blue one. I am a little bit shaky, I think, but that blue keeps on moving. It was there up earlier, and then now it is already now it is now the moon is shining so bright, and there is only one star on my right. Only one, nothing else. Okay, so my nape is already aching. Okay, my nape is already aching looking at the moon up above. So and the blue one still there, and I noticed that the clouds were already away, a little bit away from the moon. The moon stands up there, or there there has been no clouds near to the moon. Okay, we will just wait if my wish is I hope I can see and I can feature a what was that? Bulalakaw? What was that in English? A shooting star. Yes, because it is already dawn. I hope I can see a shooting star. But as I said, my neck is already aching, so I am in pain now, staring at the moon and the star. But the clouds is looking so beautiful. The colors of the clouds are also wonderful. Yeah, amazing. Was my description okay? Amazing colors. It is just like a rainbow. But it is all for now, or I think this is all for now. The star is still there, so the clouds are already scattering. So this is up for now, mga ka-friendship. Babush na. Yes, may extra pa akong ipapakita sa inyo. Yung arrangement ko ng flowers. Palagi nang naka-change ito ng flowers because nandyan sa labas, bumubukadkad na sila. Ito ang flower arrangement. Ordinary lang itong flower arrangement na to. Kasi sa palagay ko, itong mga flowers na ito, mga ordinary lang. Nandyan lang sa labas, nandyan lang sa aming halaman sa labas. Okay? So, kaso malalanta lang yun pag hindi kinukuha. So, pinaplaster na lang namin dito. Nilagay sa, hindi nga ito vase, pero Tupperware product po itong nilagyan ko. So, ito nga, ang baby's breath, ang native rose natin. Okay? At ang ating, ano ba to? Nalimutan ko na. I forgot what's the name of this. But somebody has commented already the name of this. Saging-saging. Okay. At ito saging-saging din. So, okay, that's all.